and the pavement blink, yawning wide like it hadn't slept in weeks. A breeze shuffled past wearing someone else's tune, and the sun tried on a grin that didn't quite fit the noon. So I drift where the daylight wanders, through alleyways that ask those questions. The sky's got pockets full of borrowed blues, saying, stay a while, let the hours choose. A doorway hummed in a low, uncertain key. Windows whispered rumors to the passing leaves.